Hi, my name is Pat Shrewsbury. I'm the owner and painter here at Prestige Quality Collision Repair. I want to take a minute to tell you about our Nitroheat system. I was able to go check it out personally at Counts Customs and try it firsthand. They had some test panels set up and I sprayed them. I immediately noticed the reduction in overspray and how much better the transfer efficiency was. I've been using the system for just over a year now, and I wanted to give you my feedback on it firsthand. I've definitely noticed a reduction in paint material usage. Also, defects have basically gone away as far as problems with the air and water in the airlines. I noticed in the last year that we've virtually eliminated paint defects from the air system. We're also using less materials overall, and of course less overspray means less filter changes, which is better for the environment as well. The Nitroheat system also includes a heater, which allows you to raise or lower the incoming air temperature, allowing you to make the best possible finish with your paint. Transitioning to the Nitroheat system couldn't have been easier. They came out, installed and trained us in one day, integrating seamlessly into our paint shop. Our paint savings have been at least 25%. Our flash time is 1/3 faster on water base. We've reduced our color sand and polishing time by 50% due to the reduction of overspray and contamination in the paint. In closing, I'm very happy with the Nitroheat system. I couldn't possibly see myself going back to painting cars the old way.